Good morning. It is April 6th and it is 7:57 a.m. and I am on my way to the road to Hana. But right now we stopped for breakfast at this golf course, as you can see from the background, and it's so gorgeous. So I got a croissant and I'm about to eat that right now. So we stopped on the side of the road to look at the rainbow trees, and they're really cool. You can see all the different colors. That's awesome. We found a cow enjoying some breakfast or lunch near a palm tree. It's so random. Like on the top of this little cliff. My favorite drink is the Aloha made passion orange. I've been trying all the flavors and it's really good. Here is the black sand beach. It is so cool and crazy. About to get some fresh coconut. I have my fresh coconut and it has the coconut water inside. It's really heavy too.
She's making a wish. Okay.
The Maui coconut brittle, and it's delicious. I love it. And my mom got the pineapple banana nut bread. Walking down these cute little stairs, which leads us to the black sand beach. Here we are, the black sand beach. It looks like little crushed Oreos. Oh yeah. We stopped at this place for food, so I got chicken, lots of macaroni salad, a roll, and the Aloha passion orange juice. And then they gave us a little flour, and it's cool because you have to squeeze the flour in order for the fragrance to come out, and it smells really good, and I love the color. It's really pretty. My dad's getting them macadamia fudge brownies. That's what it looks like. It looks heavenly. really tired right now, but I took a few naps on the bus, which is good, but it was really beautiful. I got so many amazing pictures and awesome footage. My family and I are on our way to my grandma's condo, so we are walking there right now. My grandma made dinner and I can literally smell food. I wonder if that's coming from the condo. It smells beautiful. Did she make garlic bread?
Yes, she did.
All I smell is garlic bread right now. I'm like, oh my god. Garlic bread. Hi, Grandma. We are having pasta and garlic bread. And it looks delicious. And I have some water right here. Bam, 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 bam. I am back from dinner and I am uploading my day 3 vlog finally, because I've been editing this video for a couple days now. So this video is finally going up. Has 180 minutes, which is crazy, so it's probably gonna be up tomorrow morning. And I am going to switch into my PJs, take off my makeup, and just get ready for bed, because I am really tired from today. Today was such a good day though. Like, we went to the road to Hana, which is really beautiful and exciting, and I really enjoyed it. It was worth the long hours of travel. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and click that lovely subscribe button down below. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!